Hey y'all, I want to introduce you to the Weoola 4-liter, 1.1 gallon ultrasonic humidifier. The instructions are a little difficult to understand, but it's really not that hard. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know right now. Right here, we're just going to lift the lid off, very simple like that. I'm going to show you a couple things. This item right here is our tank bonnet. You can just simply turn it clockwise. It comes right out like that, and you can put it back in there. This screen comes out, so if you want to clean it, you can clean that. This unit is totally self-sufficient. You can, all the items in here are reusable, cleanable. You don't have to buy a charcoal filter. You don't have to buy anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and put our tank bonnet back on. It fits right in these loops right here. So we'll sit that back in there. There we go. Now, this bucket lifts out just like that. And look, I have been using this, obviously. There's our bucket. So it's going to be a little wet here. Okay, that's our assembly right there. I'll sit that off to the side as well. We'll go further in here. Now, as you can see, when your instructions, you're going to get your instructions. You're going to see there's a float that fits there. Here's the float. Very simple to put in. It just fits right down in there, just like that. Snaps into place. That's all you got to do with it. If you want to take it out, clean it, you can do that. We have a brush here to clean our filters that are on the back. They call it a hairbrush. It just snaps right out, just like that. And we can put that right back in there with no problem. Snaps right back in. This whole unit, like I said, is self-contained. It's amazing. I love it. This is where all the magic takes place. This is our silver ion. This is what produces the negative ions, or the anions. Okay, on the bottom of the unit we have our air inlet filter assembly. It just snaps out. You just depress these two little pegs right here. There you go. You can clean that if you want to. Put that right back in. These two filters right here, we have like a noise dampening sponge here. You won't really need it, and this is to trap any hair that may get sucked up. It'll just trap it, and it'll trap it right here at the bottom. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up for us now. I want to say one more thing about the float. My float was already installed. It's easy to take out. You just pull the pegs and slide it out. We're gonna go ahead and assemble this now. So I'm gonna put our bucket back in here. Goes down really smooth and easy. I'm gonna fill this up with water. I'm only gonna fill it halfway, guys. Remember, it does hold 4 liters or 1.1 gallon. We're gonna put our cover back on, and the cover also has a 360-degree directional spout here, which will throw mist, water vapor, negative ions in any direction you want. It just fits right down on top. Very simple, very easy, and we're ready to plug this in. So here we go. Gives a nice little beep when we're connected here. I'm going to take us down to the controls. To turn the unit on, we're just going to press the power button right here. It's got 3 levels. Press it again. There's the medium level, and one more time, and that's really going to pump out the mist for you. The middle button right here is our timer. You press it once, press it again, and you can go all the way up to 12 hours. And one thing I got to tell you, this thing really can kick out a lot of water. So this timer is extremely beneficial in terms of not having a puddle at the bottom of your humidifier at the end of the running. So you might want to set this for 2 hours at a time, and then go back and see how much, vapor has condensed around your unit right here, because this thing really pumps out a lot of vapor and negative ions. I've used this already, and it's amazing. What we have here is the temperature, the surrounding temperature. It's in Celsius, So if you're accustomed to Fahrenheit, you're going to want to find a scale where you can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, down here at the bottom, that's pumping out the negative ions. Those are the vitamins in the air that we want. I'll just hit it one more time. See, when it's on the reversed ease, that's when you know it's working. Okay, so there we go. That's an incredible amount, and you can smell. It smells like after a rain. You know how the atmosphere feels or smells fresh and charged. That's what you get with this. I slept with it just the other night, and well, 2 nights, and it's amazing just how well I felt after I got up. And it's obviously because of the ions, the negative ions, the anions. It's the Weoola Ultrasonic Humidifier.